I'm making a Taco Tuesday salad because the weather's getting warmer. I've got a box of mini shells. This is one jalapeno, and this is one, I don't know, I call it a mess of cilantro. It's like one bunch that you buy at the store. And then this is probably like 4 or 5 green onions that I've cut up. 2 cans of just regular super sweet corn. I'm gonna be adding just a spoonful of minced garlic, some pepper. Then we're gonna be taking an entire block of this queso fresco.
We're gonna set this aside while we make our salad dressing.
About a 1/4 cup of sour cream, a 1/4 cup, about the same amount of mayo, regular salt and pepper, and some tahini, about 3 tablespoons of lime juice.
And then we're gonna give everything a really good shake.
I'm gonna pour this all over the top. Oh, that looks so good. Then we're gonna give everything a really, really, really good toss. Let me go ahead and give this a taste test. Oh yeah.